Hi there, this is Karen from Building Websites for Dummies, here to teach you today how to add an affiliate link in WordPress. Now, for anybody who owns a website or a blog, this is really important for you, because if you don't have affiliate links, it's going to be very hard to earn any money. It's a very simple process. This is just a draft post that I've done, and I've just put in a little bit of text and an image, because you can add affiliate links in your post to text and to any images. You can see here this is a picture of Ralph, my lovely pooch, but you would probably have a product image here if it was for real. So what we have to do is first highlight the text that we want to have an affiliate link to. Then we click on this little icon here and it brings up a space for us to paste our affiliate link. Now I'm going to actually paste my own website into it. And then I'm going to click on this little cog here, which opens up this window, and you can see that the URL is there, the link text that you're going to use is there, and I'm also going to click this open link in a new tab, and then I'm going to click update. Open link in a new tab just means that they can always come back to your website. To add it to an image, all we do is we right click on it, and then we have an option to edit that image. Now you can see here I've got the alternative text Ralph, and according to this it already has, because I've already done it. Let's just show you. Originally it would have been none. So you click on link to custom URL, remove the little bit that's there, and then paste in your affiliate link, and then click update. Now I'm going to save that as a draft, and then I'm going to preview that post to show you that those links do work. So here we are. Click here for more information, and off we trot to building websites for dummies. Sooner rather than later. There we go. Let's go back and let's click on that image. Doesn't want me to do that either at the moment. It's deciding to have a bit of a moment. Let's close that one down. It's probably that's giving me some grief. Click on the image. Building websites for dummies. There we go. So let's leave that side. Go back to edit our post. We've previewed it. Both of those work. So that's a post now that has an affiliate link both in text and also on the image. Now the other place that you might want to put an affiliate link in is on your sidebar, on your right sidebar. So you go to Appearance, click on Widgets. Funny little word, widgets, and you can see that you've got a whole lot of choices that you can use here. Now I'm actually going to use an image. Sometimes you might want to use text if you have an image affiliate link, but an image in this case is what I want to do, and I want it in the right sidebar. You can see that I've got lots of other options, but the best place is in the right sidebar. So I'm going to click on that, drag it and put it in the right sidebar. There we go. So I'm going to add the image. There's Ralph. And at the bottom here I'm going to put in my custom URL, which is my website again. I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to add to widget. Then we click save, and that should be in our sidebar. So if we go to our visit site, we will see that I've done it twice, but hey, it doesn't matter, it's the same process. Down in the sidebar, my post would be here. I obviously haven't published that because I just use this website just to show people how to do things. But you can see that I've got two images here of Ralph. Let's click on the first one, and off it sends me to building websites for dummies. That would be your affiliate link. I hope you found this useful, and I'll be back soon with some more information for you.